In this video, I'm going to compare AutoDS against DSers to help you decide which tool is better for your dropshipping business. I'm going to compare both platforms across several different categories, including price, automation features, order fulfillment, tracking, and much more. So by the end of the video, you're going to know which tool is probably better for your business. I've included the links to both platforms in the description for your convenience, so you can check them out and follow along. First, let's start with the pricing and subscription models, starting with AutoDS. As you can see, AutoDS allows you to pick the platform, the plan that you want to use for your dropshipping business. You can choose between eBay, Shopify, Facebook, Amazon, Wix, Woo, and Etsy. And the plans, the prices and features vary depending on the platform. And also, if you pay annually instead of monthly, you get 25% off. So let's look at Shopify as an example. If you are paying monthly, then you can import 200 different products into AutoDS that you can manage and sell, and that would cost you about 27 bucks a month. You can upgrade to the starter 500, which is about 40 bucks a month. Allows you to import 500 products and monitor the prices and everything. You can get advanced, which allows you to import 1,000, and if you need more, you can choose a custom package that goes up to 100,000 and beyond, but you would have to contact sales for that. Now let's compare this to DSers pricing plan. So as you can see, DSers offers a freemium model, so you can actually get started with their free model that's completely free forever, and this is really useful if you don't want to spend money before trying it out. But you can also try out their paid plans, starting from the advanced, pro, all the way up to the enterprise. You can try it 14 days for free, and there's no credit card required, so you don't have to worry about accidentally getting billed. So as you can see, this cheapest plan that's paid starts from about 20 bucks a month if you pay monthly, and if you pay yearly, then it drops down to about 16 bucks a month. And so you can see right here all the different features that are included in each plan. So DSers is really useful for people that are starting out with a tight budget and you want to try it out for free before you spend any money. And they have a free plan that's forever free, so you can use some of their features without ever having to spend any money. Now let's talk about platform integration. So as we've already seen, AutoDS can integrate with these 7 platforms: Shopify, eBay, Amazon, Facebook, Etsy, Wix, and WooCommerce, and it's really effective and integrates very seamlessly. DSers is specifically optimized for Shopify and WooCommerce, and it's officially partnered with AliExpress, which enhances its integration for efficient processing and management of AliExpress orders. So if you plan on using AliExpress, then you would probably be better off using DSers, because DSers is really focused on integrating well with AliExpress. Now let's talk about automation features, starting with AutoDS. AutoDS excels in providing comprehensive automation capabilities such as automatic price and stock adjustments, order processing, and auto-uploading tracking numbers, which is essential if you want to scale your operations efficiently. DSers focuses on streamlining the AliExpress ordering process, offering powerful automation tools for placing orders in bulk, finding and applying AliExpress coupons automatically, and for syncing tracking numbers. Now what about product sourcing and management? AutoDS allows easy import of products from numerous suppliers like AliExpress, Amazon, and Walmart. It also provides robust tools for editing and customizing product details before you list them on your various channels. Now let's talk about DSers. DSers excels in its integration with AliExpress, which allows users to quickly find and import products, manage variant mappings, and optimize product offerings with supplier optimization tools. What about order fulfillment and tracking? AutoDS provides a comprehensive solution for order fulfillment, including automated order placement and integration with various shipping tools to streamline logistics. DSers automates order fulfillment directly from AliExpress, simplifying the process of managing large volumes of orders, especially for Shopify and WooCommerce users. But what about the customer support and training? Well, as you can see, AutoDS has a great help center here where they can help you with onboarding, helping you with your configurations, and you can also contact support by filling out this form, and they usually get back to you within 24 hours. AutoDS also has a very active community for peer-to-peer support and tips. But what about DSers? So DSers also has great contact support service. You can actually contact them 24/7 by either sending them a message or doing a live chat. They also provide detailed guides and FAQs for troubleshooting common problems as part of their resources. Now, what about analytics and reporting tools? AutoDS offers detailed analytics and custom reporting capabilities that are crucial for tracking business performance and for making informed decisions across multiple platforms. DSers provides analytics focused on order volume and sales performance, especially tailored for AliExpress sellers using Shopify or WooCommerce. However, its analytics might not be as in-depth as the ones that are offered by AutoDS. Now, what about user interface and ease of use? Well, AutoDS has a modern and intuitive interface that's very easy to navigate, which makes it accessible for both beginners and people that are experienced with these types of platforms. DSers features a clean and straightforward interface that's designed for seamless management of AliExpress orders that makes it really easy to use, and especially for those that are focused on Shopify or WooCommerce platforms. What about scalability? Well, this is where AutoDS has an advantage here. AutoDS is designed to scale with your business, and it's capable of handling a large volume of products and orders across multiple different platforms at the same time. So this is ideal for dropshippers that are looking to advance and expand their business. Now, while DSers is also effective for managing bulk orders on AliExpress and scaling operations within Shopify or WooCommerce, it may have limitations for users that are looking to expand beyond these two platforms. But what do customers and people who actually use these tools have to say about them? Let's look at their reviews on Trustpilot. AutoDS is absolutely destroying DSers here in this department. As you can see, they have over 7,600 reviews, with the average rating being 4.8, which is excellent, and it is a verified company. The majority of the reviews are 5 stars, with some being 4 stars and very few below that. Lots of recent reviews as early as 14 hours ago, 17 hours ago, and so on. But what about DSers? Well, DSers has a pretty good review as well, 1363 at this time, with an average of 5.0, which is excellent. It's not, however, a verified company on Trustpilot, but the rankings are very, very good. Like, all of their reviews basically are 5 stars, literally no 2 stars, and like extremely few reviews that are below that. Lots of recent reviews as well, as early as 11 hours ago. So both are pretty good, but I would trust AutoDS more just because it has a lot more reviews, even though their average rating is a little bit lower. Plus, it's also a verified company on Trustpilot. AutoDS is more suitable for dropshippers who need a versatile, all-encompassing tool that can support multiple platforms and offers more advanced automation and analytics, whereas DSers is more suitable for people that are focused on maximizing their dropshipping operations on Shopify or WooCommerce with AliExpress as their primary supplier. Each software tool excels in different areas, and you have to kind of choose which one is better for you based on your priorities and which software and tools you currently use for your business. I've included the links for both AutoDS and DSers in the description of this video and the pinned comment, so you can check them out. If you have any questions or comments, just drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.